forge your inner armor. Every time you move, whether it's smiling or running a race, a complex series of chemical reactions inside your muscle cells convert energy into motion. Your lungs exchange oxygen for carbon dioxide, load it onto red blood cells like tiny delivery trucks, and send them through your blood vessels to your muscles. Every move that you make depends upon a complex dance between your cardiovascular, respiratory, and muscular systems, delivering power where it needs to be, when you need it. But when the dancer's choreography is off, you lose power. If your heart is beating out of sync with your lungs, the critical exchange of oxygen for carbon dioxide will be less efficient. If your blood pressure rises too high or falls too low, a hardwired loop in your autonomic nervous system called the baroreflex will slow down or speed up your heart to maintain homeostasis. It will release hormones and alter your brain waves following its pre-programmed protocols. You want to score goals, but your unconscious autonomic nervous system has its own agenda, adjusting your systems to maintain blood pressure, body temperature, and 100 other metrics. And that's why your muscles sometimes run out of gas at the worst possible moments. But the good news is that you can train your body's systems to stay synchronized and deliver coherent power on demand, even under physical or psychological stress. How? Through resonance. The molecules in every object are subtly vibrating. This is the natural frequency of a system. And when a force is applied to the system, like electrical signals running through it, that introduces another frequency. And if the natural frequency and the applied frequency match, they become resonant. The amplitude of the waves, the difference in the height between the peaks and the valleys, increases dramatically. Resonance is the sweet spot when a system is functioning at its most efficient. We can find the resonant frequency of our cardiovascular and respiratory systems. And when pulse and respiration are synchronized and resonant, and when our brain drops into optimal wave patterns, then our body delivers coherent power to our muscles on demand. Perform at your potential. Begin forging your inner armor.